Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing frame and units, then seed your motion with initial position, velocity, and acceleration vectors so simulation has meaning. Once done, pick a time step. 1/60s is common, and choose an integrator. Euler for simplicity, semi-implicit for stability, RK4 for accuracy. You do this now because the integration choice controls energy drift and responsiveness. Make sure to normalize units and clip DT if it exceeds stability limits, so subsequent steps behave predictably. You compute net force each frame, summing gravity, drag, springs, and any control inputs, so acceleration equals force divided by mass. Then update velocity from acceleration and position from velocity. Semi-implicit order reduces energy gain. Once velocity is stable, apply rotational integration. Update angular velocity, convert to quaternion, and normalize. Also apply constraint corrections and collision impulses immediately after integration, so positions remain valid. Make sure to clamp extreme values to prevent numerical explosion. You finish by stabilizing and outputting results. Apply post-step constraint resolution, clamp velocities, and optionally filter jitter with a low pass so visuals are smooth. Once done, render debug arrows for position, velocity, and acceleration to verify magnitude and direction. Compare against analytic cases like free fall or a spring to validate correctness. If things go wrong, instability, exploding values, reduce DT immediately and switch to a more stable integrator. That single troubleshooting step resolves most numerical failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.